Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you step-by-step guide to unlocking your Facebook profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu. Press on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of profile locking. Click on this. Now here you can see the option of unlock. If you want to unlock your profile, you just have to press here the unlock option. That's it. So this is the step-by-step guide to unlocking your Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.